You're the only one that tells me to take my hat off. You're the only one that tells me to take my hood off. You're the only one that tells me to take my earbuds out or my headphones off. You're the only one who ever gets on my, behind. That's a big problem. Whenever a kid can say that, that's a systematic problem that we have control over. And we let the little things go because we think we have bigger things. And that's why we have bigger things. Because kids are allowed to push the system and we're inconsistent. So the most needy kid in the most chaos needs everybody to tell them to take their hat off or take their hood off or take their earbuds out. Everybody. And how do you do that? I don't have to walk down the hall and say, okay, what's your name? All I gotta do is say, hey, take your hat off and keep on walking. Do I know the kid probably gives me the finger when I walk past them? Absolutely, I can feel it. You ever felt it? You turn around, you're like, oh yeah, I got that one. But I don't need to turn around. You know why? Because I've done my job. I've said to the kid, hey, take your hat off, and I kept walking. But if 75 or 85 other staff say it every single day, 6 weeks into school, that kid takes his hat off. But it's when that one person who walks around the corner that doesn't say anything and says, I'm not dealing with this. And that's why we have these problems. So those are the recommendations that have to happen first as a whole system before you start asking me to deal with problems one-to-one, kid by kid. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.